Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your pixel brush on the Adobe Fresco application when you are creating your document. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. At first open the app on your phone, then select a document from your home page or from your files, tap on it. After that you should tap on this first brush icon in the left side column of the screen. Here you can find your pixel brushes, so if you would like to make some settings, tap on the this recent button and you can choose from the basic section such as hard round opacity and so on. You have a bunch of options here. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to add. You can also choose from these other categories. Dry media and ink can be also selected, lettering, marker brushes are also available. So if you want to add any of these to your favorites, tap on the relevant one and click on this star icon, so you will be able to find them more easily in the favorites section. If you tap on the favorites, you can find these added items here. If you want to add more brushes, tap on the add brush section and you can either discover new brushes if you purchase the premium, or you can also import it from your files. So tap on the relevant one and then you will be able to use it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.